It isn't every day that we come across a property that's right smack in the middle of the metro. That's right, it's in San Juan, and that's right, it's in Northeast Greenhills. You have lots of lot space. Spoiler alert, 880 square meters to be precise. And then just look at the aesthetics from this single frame alone. So if you're curious, and you should be, stay tuned because this is a beautiful house to tour. Super excited because I can't wait to explore the interior of this home. But before we do so, let's talk about what we see from the outside first. So clearly we have a two-story home over here and it looks sleek and streamlined. You have neutral colors. And then over here on the right side, you have an automatic gate that will lead you to your 4-vehicle carport. And then you have a pedestrian gate over here. And everything else in between is lined by plants and it looks so nice. Okay, so as we enter your pedestrian gate, immediately you will see your main entrance. Nakabukas na yung pinto. And then you have a pathway that will lead to the left side of your property. And then you also have a garden here on the right. Now, if you wanted to go to the carport, you can actually go through here and look at the shadows along this exterior hallway or corridor. Very dramatic. Okay, so here you have, again, as I mentioned, your 4-vehicle carport. 2 of your cars will be covered from the elements and the 2 will be exposed. And then there's another pathway over here going to the other side of the property and you have a patch of garden still. Essentially, you have a lot of garden space. Such a beautiful day. And this is such a very angular house that casts, as I mentioned, these shadows. Oh, someone closed the door. Okay, I got nervous there for a second. I thought someone might have locked it. All right, thank you so much. All right, so as you enter, the first thing you will see is your main stairs as well as 2 doors and then the entire open area here on the right side. So let's explore this area first. Oh, wow. So you have this massive open space, perfect for entertaining your guests and your family. This is your living area. So this entire area, you have a nice cove accent ceiling design over here, complete with the lighting fixture there in the middle. And then over to this side, iba yung ceiling material. So it's a little moodier, it's more dramatic. You just have this wood paneled ceiling, which perfectly frames your glass sliding doors that lead to your backyard. But before we go there, let's check out this area first. Ooh, visually this looks so interesting. So this now is your dining area. It's still open, but it does feel like it's a very specific area meant for your dining, especially thanks to the chandelier over here. You have lots of windows to bring in natural light. And then right across that, you have your kitchen. So you have lots of counter space. You have a U-shaped kitchen counter setup. You have an island counter here, lots of storage, cupboard spaces, pantries. Your sink is over there. And then you have your stove and then your refrigerator. Oh, and you have a bar over there behind the post here. So again, perfect for entertaining family and friends. Sana na lang natin to. And then from the kitchen, you have access to a daily kitchen, which honestly doesn't look that much different from the main kitchen, except for the differently colored panels used for the cupboards. So it's lighter, but basically looks the same. So again, lots of storage. You have provision for your refrigerator. Actually, nandiyan na yung refrigerator. You have your stove and then your sink. And then from here, okay lang ba lumabas? Interested in enlisting your property with us? Make sure you go to our website at www.presello.com or call this number right here. From here, you can go out to the service area. So it's a nice and spacious area. Actually, gilid to ng bahay, di ba? So maluag siya. So you actually do have a lot of space for your laundry, which is what they've done here. You have an outdoor sink. It's covered with an awning with skylights. I don't see this very often. This is really nice. And then from here, you also have access to the staff quarters, as well as their toilet and bath, and a pathway that will lead to, again, the rest of the perimeter of the home. And then, likewise, you have access to that side as well. So basically, pwede ka umikot around the house. Okay, so now let's head to the backyard. Ooh, that rolls so nicely. Okay, so obviously your eyes are going to be drawn to the texture over here on the right side. You have lots of vertical slats. It is wood. And wait a minute. Wait, wala bang sekreto dito? Why do I feel like there's gonna be a... I knew it. Had to be, right? Do you guys remember a door? Oh, okay. Cool. So you have your guest accessible toilet and bath here. So your sink, your toilet, enclosed shower space. Diretso na to the swimming pool. Alright, that's pretty cool. I was like, ba tayo nalagpasan na pinto kanina? That's cool. That's pretty cool. Sturdy construction too. Ang kapal. Solid sounding. Yan ang yan ang secret door. Hindi pa lang tapos kasi syempre wala pa yung mechanism, pero flush. The only reason I doubted na may something dito, kasi sa lahat ng videos na ginagawa namin, pagka may ganyan, I always end up missing one. So anyways, so apart from that really cool wall, you have lots of garden space. And then you have a pathway that leads to your free-form swimming pool. Oh. So you have a free-form swimming pool over here, surrounded by the garden. And it's super tranquil in here. And then this is what the house looks like when you're just chilling by the pool. Okay, so again, that's a pathway leading to the other side of the house, so you can go back out in the front. So generally, that is it for this section, but we have another, or rather a few more square meters to go. So we have the 2 doors over here before we head up the second floor. And this one is bedroom number 1. So nakalock, may mechanism yung mga doors so that it will stay open. So you have this much space for the bedroom. Your view is directly the backyard with the swimming pool. Excuse me. You have a walk-in closet, lots of storage. You have a vanity as well, completed with the hanging rods and the drawers. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and then an enclosed shower space. And even here, high ceiling pa rin siya. So not just the toilet and bath, but also the walk-in closet as well as the room itself. It looks like it has a drop ceiling, but it's very minimal. But mostly your lighting niya is downlights. But still, it adds to that parang medyo grandeur. Okay, under the stairs, you have some storage. Always need storage. And then right next to the stairs, we have this room. So it's up to you what you want to do with this. It could be an office, it can be a den. You have this entire wall as your window. And if you wanted to turn this into a bedroom, why not? Because it does have an ensuite toilet and bath as well, with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And can I just say, excuse me, ang ganda ng view ng bintana. It's just sky, plants, and then a few buildings. I'm sure the B-roll shows it. Okay, so that's the ground floor. Let's now head up the second. But before we do, I just want to point out as well, you have these little lights on the floor. During nighttime, these are gonna come in really dramatically. Tsaka kung gusto nyo mag-display ng mga paintings and what have you, it's gonna look real nice. Okay, so as I was saying, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more houses like this, and this is super rare, by the way. This is in Northeast Greenhills, San Juan, you guys. Make sure you check out the rest of our listing over on our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey there, loyal Presello fam! If you're eager for some more unique and exciting content from the team, then why don't you move in with us in our membership channel? Not only do you get exclusive perks by joining the membership channel, but you also get to hang out with the rest of the team. That's right. So you have 3 tiers. Now let me just get my cheat sheet so I can tell you guys all about it. So you have Presello fam, where you'll get loyalty badges, exclusive emojis, and priority reply to comments. You have Presello team, which will get you all of that, plus members-only chats and members shout-outs. And you have Presello fam, which again have all of the previously mentioned, as well as members-only streams and exclusive members-only videos. Okay, so you have this lovely chandelier over here and lots of just white space. Speaking of white, the walls are painted this matte white that makes the light diffused. So, ang liwanag niya, maaliwala siya, pero hindi siya masakit sa mata. Ganda. Okay, so from the stairs, we have access to this particular floor, which I'll show you in a bit. And then immediately you have these 2 doors. So let's check this one out first. And here we have bedroom number 3. We're gonna count the den as a bedroom. So you have a lot of space. You have this huge window on this side of the room, which lets in lots of natural light and shadows. Or rather, I'm just a fan of that. It's a very Instagrammable. And you know, for photography, if you're into that, that's a good practice to try and shoot. Then here you have access to your walk-through closet. Still high ceiling, lots of closet space. And of course, you do have a vanity. So, pagdaan ng camera dito. Hello? No choice. And then, Happy New Year nga pala. Galing sa amin nila John. And then you have here your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. Again, standard practice for this house is everything is high ceiling. And then, ay, dito muna tayo. May mga tao eh. And then across that room, we have bedroom number 4. Oh, it opens all the way there. Okay. So again, you have this much space. This time, the window looks down towards the backyard and the swimming pool. Now, the reason why there's no dramatic shadows here is because the sunset is on that side, meaning sa umaga to maganda, morning sun. Then on this side, you have your walk-in closet. Again, lots of closet space, drawers, a vanity, and then an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. Okay, so now here, you have this open area in between all of the bedrooms. And it's actually a family area. Of course, you can set up your couch over here and then your TV over there with the PS5 and what have you. And it's also a sort of hub in between the bedrooms, as well as access to the 2 balconies that you can go to. Now, we're not gonna go through here anymore. I'm just gonna show you that you have sliding doors over here. That's gonna lead you to the balcony at the front of the property. And then on the other side, another set of sliding doors that's gonna lead you. Oh, of course, it's still closed. Nakikita niyo naman eh. Di ko na susubukan. So anyhow, and then over here, we have bedroom number 5. Tama ba? 6. I lost count. 5. Huh? Okay ba kayo na sinabi? 5. Okay. So here we have a lot more space. This is actually the primary bedroom. And then, of course, more space, more wall space also means bigger windows or lots more windows. So you have one on this side, of course, and then other side. Hindi naman siya windows, but they are sliding doors that lead to the same balcony that we were struggling to get through to kanina. So dapat ito open. Ayun. Okay, so buti lang ito nabuksan. So, lots of space for scale, right? Now, this area, of course, glass yung ano, so you can see your backyard as well as your swimming pool. But this area is a solid concrete, so it's a little bit more private. Meron pang gripo tsaka mga abang for whatever it is that you might want to put here. If you wanted to put another set of washing machines here, to be honest, I wouldn't blame you. Not that you need to. I'm just saying you could. But it's nice and private. You don't see your neighbors, and they won't see you. So that's really nice. And then let's check out the primary bedroom's walk-in closet. So, well, of course, non-surprisingly, as expected, you have a lot of closet space. Vanity, and then on this side, you have the ensuite, 12 bath, with your sink, your his and hers sinks, and your enclosed shower space, all of which is much bigger than the ones that we've seen previously. And then if I'm not mistaken, these, yep, are medicine cabinets. So it's really nice and sleek. Looks very minimalist, but very, very functional. All right. I love how straightforward everything is. It's easy to plot how you're gonna slot in the furniture, who's gonna stay where. I love how clear the intention of this house is. Now, that being said, it is time for a recap. But before we do so, make sure you watch these gorgeous B-rolls. So you have 557 square meters of floor area split between 2 levels, and then 880 square meters of lot area. That's right, you actually have a lot of lot size here in Northeast Greenhills, San Juan. You have 4 bedrooms, well, 5 if you include the one here on the ground floor that I mentioned was a den. And then 6 toilet and baths and a 4-vehicle carport, 2 of your cars will be protected and then 2 will be somewhat exposed. And I mean, you just have lots of ample space. There's a lot of space. You have a backyard with a free-form swimming pool, lots of areas to go around. Literally, you can go around your house. You have a very spacious service area, and then lots and lots of garden space. So if this is a house you're interested in, especially due to the fact that, again, this is right smack in the center of the metro, or if you know anyone who's interested, make sure you send this video to them. But if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay?